Hello and welcome back to my channel Norina with decor, your favorite sport. A big hello to my amazing audience. In today's video, I'm talking about balloon decoration ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. I'm so happy to see you here today. Your presence make this moment more special. Let's begin this beautiful journey together. Thank you for taking time to join me. I hope you're ready for something exciting. Today we are something truly delightful for you. Sit back, relax and enjoy every moment. You're all like family to me. Let's make this time full of smiles and joy. Just look at these beautiful balloon decorations. It's pure magic. The colors are so fresh and charming. Every detail shows love and creativity. The designs is truly eye-catching. It's almost too pretty to cut. The decorations make it look like a dream. Decorations is soft and inviting. Its presence take a treat for any celebrations. Whoever sees it will be amazed. This balloon decoration is masterpieces of sweetness. My viewers are the heart of my channel. Your loves keep me going every day. You are the reason I create content. Your support means the world to me. Every like and comment is a gift. You inspire me to do better. Your kindness makes this journey brighter. I'm proud to have such amazing viewers. You're not just a viewer, you're a part of my YouTube family. Thanks for being a part of my world. Life is more beautiful when shared with kind people. Creativity is the language of the heart. Every day is a chance to create something lovely. Beauty lies in the smallest details. Happiness grows when we share it. A smile is the prettiest decoration everyone can wear. Love turns simple things into treasure. Memories are the sweetest gift can we can keep. The world is brighter when we see it with joy. Let's keep spreading light, love, and positivity. And with that, we come to the end of the video. Every moment we share here, the memory of the making. This channel is not just mine, it's belong to all of us. Here every smile matters, that every heart is welcome. Together we make this place warm and full of love. Beauty is not just a thing we see, but in the joy we feel. Your encouragement is like sunlight for my creativity. Your happiness is always on the menu. This channel is a little world of colors and smiles. We are not just creating videos, we are creating happiness. And remember, you're always valued and loved here. I hope you enjoyed this time with me. Your presence made it extra special. Don't forget to subscribe for more lovely moments. Stay happy and keep smiling. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. I will be back soon with more beautiful ideas. Until then, keep the joy alive in your heart. Thanks for being a part of my YouTube family, and thank you for being here today. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself and the people around you.